Stainless steel water tanks. Protect water purity and qualified to maintain water temperature in any weather condition. SS water tanks made with food-grade stainless steel. For chemical-free, hygienic and healthy water storage. Salutations. Stainless steel water tanks is the first choice among people after knowing about the diverse effects of plastic and concrete water tanks on human body. Multi-layer stainless steel water tank technology keeps the water safe from harmful UV rays, algae, bacteria and virus-free water. Maintains the ideal water temperature. SS water tanks suitable for all types of weather conditions. Free-form risks such as cracking, freezing and rusting. Tremendous durability of stainless steel water tank owing to the high resistance mineralis. No chemical contamination and does not harm the nature.